Nice day to you. Today, we share with you for those dental units. There are a part of them from 200 set units for one university. For a university, what's the most consideration for them to choose a dental unit? Of course, from the stability. For most of the students, they are careless when they're using the dental unit. And most of them, they are curiostic. So they will play the dental unit as they can reach by his hand. So in this situation, the dental unit with qualified and stability is the important point for the university. Now, let's see the details of this unit. The metal frame is the heart of the dental unit. So we use the complete metal frame. And the motto also is the main point for the unit. So we cooperate with one factory which have 20 years history, and they are lease company. The complaint less than 0.5%. And all the internal tubes, the raw material from the US, it can resist from the cold and hot weather. And we see from the unit box, the PCB with the protector and all the cables and tubes with good regulation. We separated the electric and the water tube part for more safety, and the good regulation easier for future maintenance. The operation chain with the injection molding with good details, and new design water bottle, easier to fill the water. You can choose the dental unit with food options, including built-in scaler with LED light, 2 high-speed LED light handpiece, and 1 full set low-speed handpiece. Portable curing light with A quality. The built-in auto camera with screen and with the new position for the screen. While moving the screen, there is no conflict with the lamp. Lingchen dental units with CE and ISO and 2 years warranty. We wish to support more and more students in their university life. See you next time.